Konaje Kallu is a large granite standing stone which is located in Konaje, a village in Dakshina Kannada district of Karnataka. The place is 7 kilometers away from Moodbidre, is one of the popular trekking spots in the place. Konaje Kallu is a favorite destination for those people who prefer peace of mind. Many tourists come here to meditate and enjoy nature's beauty. It is also a place of worship. There is Kalabhairava and Mahamayi Gudi at the top. There are two granite stones and one is on the top of the other, but there is a gap between them. The forest between the rocks are home to a wide variety of wild animals and birds. It is mythically believed by the people that Pandavas visited here during their 14-year Vanavas and they stayed overnight. Presently, there is a monk and his followers running the temples, and people often visit here to seek blessings. The journey towards the hilltop can be filled with fun, with the most eye-catching nature's visual. Amongst the species living here, monkeys are the most prominent, and we can see them interacting friendly with the people. This location looks more like a monkey kingdom. We can witness the historic, the so-called king rule here. Monkeys here are so unique and all of them are attention seekers. Speaking of the kingdom, there is a monkey named Rama. Once, a brawl happened between the monkeys over 5 years ago, and it went on for a couple of days, and Rama emerged victorious and was named king. Technically, there is no concept of king here, but people call him so. Rama is the monkey who is popular for his social interactions with the tourists. He is powerful and quite aggressive too. It is said that monkey population has increased in the recent times, and simultaneously Rama's contribution is also high as he attracts more female monkeys with his skills and behavior. Monk here and his followers offer bhojan to all the monkeys after the regular puja. The monkeys return to the temple as soon as the holy bell rings. From the very beginning of your visit till the very end, he showcases with all his talents and make your trip a memorable one.